Hello everyone. In this video I am just going to discuss that how the things can be achieved in the life. First of all, we are just going to practice the speaking English. This skill is necessary to learn for our young minds. Actually, this skill is helpful in our life. Then sir, what should we do? How can we get this skill? And how can we speak the English just like American and the people they belong to Britain? I think in this video the things that is being spoken to you is really helpful. So I just request you to be seated to gaze on the screen till the video ends. First of all, I would like to say that the every journey of the life starts with a single step. I think it may seem daunting at first, but with dedication and perseverance, you can reach your goal of mastering the English language. You may have heard a quote said by Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and stop not till goal is reached." I think when we get tough road, when we get a tough path in our life, these inspirational statements or the many inspirational words really somehow pushes us to capture our ambition. I think while we are learning any type of skill, even if while we are learning English language, we should not afraid of our mistakes, but instead we should take these mistakes as a learning opportunity and always keep ourselves to moving forward. Be remember every conversation, every words that you have learned, and every conversation that you have practiced are multiple steps closer to your goal. So we should maintain our consistency in our job for better output. Actually, we shouldn't shy while we are speaking English. I think our mistakes are pathfinder. Our mistakes are our finder of success. So just continue to carve your skill. The more we practice, the more we get confidence in that field where we are really continuously practicing to be improved ourselves. According to my consciousness, the people who are really eager to learn speaking English, they will have to do some extra tasks such as listening to the news bulletins, listening the songs in English language, and just concentrating the minds to the pronunciation of the English words and the reading of English literature books. I think these factors are the main things that emphasize our willpower to unlock the power of spoken English. In the world is containing a lot of skill, and one of them is English spoken. I think English spoken is a different skill, and if you get it, if you really know how to speak in English, this skill really will separate you in a crowd of hundreds and thousands people. And for getting this differentiation in your life, you must have to practice. I think doing the same things again and again to be improved yourself in that sector is named as a practice. So really I suggest you to make conversation with yourself day to day life so that you may sink in the ocean of practice. You may be improved yourself in speaking English. More and more practice and doesn't give up our journey in our life is the main way to get our destination in our life. And so at last I shall say to all of you that be practical in every step of your life. Bye bye.